the backyard, and the chicken them almost finished freestyle. Over here, so with that pim. And Shelly over there asleep. Mom see over there all the vibes. So freestyle, our chicken is now completed, as you can see, guys. Nice and golden. So we're gonna chop them. Freestyle, see there? Food time, you know. Everybody eat. The memorable weekend could never over, guys, without something happen. Hey Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. It's memorable day, guys, and we're on the outside. And as you can see, guys, on the table right here, we have some chicken. We're just going to season up some chicken, and we're just going to jerk some chicken. As you can see, the grill right here, ready. So we're outside, and we're just going to hold our vibes in the backyard. You know the vibes, freestyle.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream. Until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurricane Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Freestyle, went ahead and washed the chicken, clean it with some vinegar, well clean, and it's now time for us to go ahead and season up the chicken the really hard man style. So right here, Freestyle, we have some Maggi all-purpose season. So we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle our Maggi all-purpose season. Sprinkle the Maggi all-purpose season all over the chicken. Right here we have some Maggi chicken season. We're gonna do the same thing. Sprinkle the chicken season all over our chicken. Right here we have some black pepper. Same thing with the black pepper. Sprinkle all over. Right here, Freestyle, we have some jerk seasoning. Sprinkle our jerk seasoning all over the chicken as well. Now, Freestyle, it's time for me to go ahead and massage the season into our chicken. Now, the chicken have a well seasoned in a Freestyle. It's all about the taste and the flavor. Rub it up the right and proper way. Yes, Freestyle, so season them well. Massage into the chicken. And you know you can't go jerk Freestyle and you don't have this. Have the pimento. So Freestyle, I'm going to crush my pimento in this jar right here. We're going to crush and then we're going to sprinkle it all over the chicken. Freestyle, right here we have some scallion. We're going to cut some scallion on the chicken. Season up the chicken right with a Freestyle because we want the chicken to full of taste and flavor, you know what I mean? Right here we have our scallion. Right here we have some thyme. We have some dry thyme right here. So I'm going to sprinkle some of the thyme all over the chicken. And Freestyle one sugar jerk. Oh, so the hot and spicy. Freestyle, we have the kids them, so we can't use the hot and spicy, so we're going to use the mild. We have some jerk seasoning right here. And we're using the Grace jerk seasoning, of course. Go ahead and sprinkle the jerk seasoning all over our chicken. Then we're going to massage jerk seasoning onto our chicken. Let's come back to what's up here. Look at that freestyle. This is it. Real jerk chicken we're talking about. Freestyle, you know you can't go jerk and you not have your pimento. This is the signature of your jerk pork or your jerk chicken. So right here I went ahead freestyle and I crushed the pimento berries. Now we're going to sprinkle it all over the chicken and then we're going to massage it in. Sprinkle the pimento all over freestyle. You see that? Then we're going to massage it. Massage everything in. And freestyle, from the look of it, guys, you can see that my chicken is well seasoned. Nice and lovely. Nice and colorful, and we haven't yet gone on the grill as yet. On Memorial Day freestyle out in the backyard, what more could you ask for than some nice jerk chicken or rain freestyle? So here you have it freestyle. My chicken is now completely seasoned. Now we're gonna leave it there freestyle so it marinate the right and proper way. Then we're gonna put it on the grill and we're gonna hold a backyard vibe. Freestyle, if you're here for the first time, guys, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, hit that subscription button. Join the freestyle movement, you know the vibe. Now I'm going to catch the fire. Right here we have some charcoal, guys. We are now going to light our fire. Light up. As you can see, freestyle, it's blazing, blazing, blazing. So guys, what happens is that this charcoal, all you need is just a lighter and the fire ready. Because the charcoal, as in, I think is either kerosene or something on it already, but all you need is that. So I just went ahead and get some corn. So we're going to do some roast corn with our jerk chicken. In the meantime, guys, the grill, I'm going to act up and light up so you know the vibes. Jerk chicken and roast corn, the orange freestyle. So guys, if you're here for the first time, guys, remember to just like, share and comment if you haven't yet subscribed yet. Remember to just hit that subscription button and join the freestyle movement, you know the vibe. Well seasoned, our corn right here. And our chicken is well seasoned, well marinated, and it's time for us to put the chicken on the grill. So freestyle is very windy, as you can see, guys, and the wind is giving me a warm time with the grill. But nevertheless, freestyle, the fire is now catch and it's now time to put our chicken on the grill. As you can see, guys, my chicken is well seasoned. And the seasoning is well marinated into my chicken. So you know that your chicken is gonna be a vibe. You know what I mean? On the grill, I'm gonna give you guys a close up so you can see what's going on. Here you have it. First set of chicken on the grill freestyle and it survives. I'm now going to close the grill. I'm going to allow our chicken to take its time and jerk the right and proper way. Right here, freestyle, I'm auctioning off the corns. So the corns, guys, if you want, you could roast it in the trash, and if you want, you could roast it out of the trash. I choose to roast my corn out of the trash. So I'm stripping them off. And as you can see, guys, I did get some nice corns. These are very nice, well fit. So I'm going to clean out the corn, then we're going to check on the grill and see what's going on for our jerk chicken. And I must tell you, freestyle, the aroma coming from the jerk pan is just a vibe. As you can see how the chicken was seasoned, guys, well seasoned with the spices and the whole work. So you know it's going to be a vibe. Nice and delicious. A real freestyle way. In the meantime, guys, if you haven't got subscribers yet, make sure you just hit that subscription button and join the freestyle movement. You know the vibes. That is it. Stripping the corns. Guys, I love corns. Roast or boil, whatever way you want to give it to me. Corn is one of my favorite of all time. So my corns are now stripped. In a few minutes I'm going to check in to see what's going on the grill. So guys, just stay tuned. You know the vibes. So freestyle is now to check in on the grill to see what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and turn the chickens. Burning them. Freestyle the fire wicked, but you know it goes. Freestyle, that's it. Freestyle, the wind just now cooperating with me like that. Breathe wicked. Keep the grill at high range at all times, so if the others are turned them, make sure so them not burn. But in the meantime, guys, I'm going to pull down the fire. Just going to get some water and sprinkle all over. Then we're going to cover it. You know the vibe. Right here I have a Corona beer. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna use the Corona beer to wet the chicken. That's this piece, and then we're gonna cover back our grill. And we're gonna make it just stay there and simmer down the right and proper way. So jerk chicken, roast corn, or rain freestyle way, guys, you know the vibes. Freestyle, see it there? Our chicken is coming along nice and lovely freestyle, as you can see for yourself. And it's just the vibes. Outside of there, on the Memorial Day, I jerk up some chicken the Orient freestyle way. Guys, just stick and stay. Remember, if you're here for the first time, guys, just hit that subscription button. Join the freestyle movement, you know the vibes. Chilling? Who trouble you, Yummy? Who you mad at? Tell me who you mad at. Tell me. Auntie Janet. Jonah, what going? You good? Yeah, chill. Alright, Ryan, how it go? Everything good? Alright. So freestyle while the chicken I go and grill up, we just step on the front. I go and watch what I go on the block. Everybody have a look at barbecue in the backyard going on, of course, cause it's the Memorial Day, and you know what I mean, it's a tradition thing for us to light the grill, jerk some jerk chicken or some jerk pork, whatever it is, and it's just the vibes.
Uncle Ring. Can go to the park.
Wanna go to the park? Hey, what's up, neighbor? good. Same here, man. So freestyle, we'll go back to the backyard now. Go see what I go on for the grill. Yeah, we'll go freestyle. So freestyle, I'm going to give it a next dose of the beer. Shake it. And we just sprinkle the beer all over. And as you can see, freestyle, it's coming along nice and lovely. It survived. Jerk chicken, rain freestyle way, on the Memorial Day. It not get no better than this. The backyard, and the chicken them almost finished freestyle. Over here, so with that Pim and Shelly over there asleep. Mom's over there all the vibes. You know the vibes freestyle. Oh that, Orion, Junior and Nana running from the camera. In the meantime, the corn I'm going to roast up. Freestyle, our jerk chicken is now completed. Here you have it. We have some corn right here on the grill, and it survives. See it there? Food time, you know. Everybody that eat, I enjoy eating, so I know it survived. Jerk chicken, roast corn, Memorial Day, we're outside in the backyard and that's all our vibes. Remember, freestyle, like, share, comment. If you haven't touched subscribers yet, hit the subscription button, join the movement, you know the vibe. Food ready, you know, so I'm there mash up a one can, some jerk chicken, and you know, some rest in the backyard, I want a vibe. You hear me? You good?
Yeah.
You need corn? Alright, you soon get corn, baby. I soon give corn to you. Some of feed off them face. Lay over here with them plate. I want a vibes. Shanty and mums over here, so. Share the sharer. Hide her face. Share your feed her face. Mom, how the chicken taste?
That's not good.
What's that? Sell off.
No,
Leah, what you say? Shante, what you say? Alright. Nana, what you say? Alright. Shelly, what you say? A chicken taste?
Nice.
What you say? Shot? Like a M16.
So yummy.
Yummy, how's the chicken, yummy?
So yummy.
Okay. Maya, how's the chicken, Maya? You enjoy? You love it? It's the best? Wow, Maya says it's the best.
Best!
It's the best. Alright.
It's good, it's best, and ever the best.
Alright, that is it.
The best Megan stuff.
Freestyle. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, mash up some jerk chicken. And it survives. Freestyle. The day couldn't done without some white rum. Good old Ryan Neville. It survives. Shanti, what you say? Ryan Neville? Alright.
Orange juice and cranberry.
Alright. That is it. Nana, do it, Nana, do it. Do it for the vlog. Come on. Let me see some move, Nana. Come on, let's go. Come, Nana, let me see some move. Come on. Come on, let me see some move. Come on, let's go. You got it. Alright, now go on.
I did it.
Terry, what you deal with? So people will belly full and we just step on the block of all our vibes, you know. Drink some white rum. And I want a vibe. Yeah, man?
Can we go to the park?
The park?
Yeah.
No, the park is closed, baby. Yeah, the park is closed. So freestyle, it was a fun field day. Jerk some chicken, roast some corn. Now but I drink some rare never rum. And I will have I hope you all have a good Memorial Day. Wherever you spend it, on the beach, at home, in the backyard, grilling, chilling. I hope you had fun. I do had fun, it was a vibes. Sharon with that chicken leg I hide. Sharon, how was the chicken?
Amazing.
Alright, that is it. That is it. What? No, I don't want to hear
I don't know. Yeah. Did you do it? Did you do the
So freestyle, the next stop is gonna be on the beach. We're gonna bring our grill on the beach and we're gonna grill and all our vibes on the beach. I'm not sure what beach yet, but guys, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that, guys. As it is summertime now, so we're not indoor anymore, we're outdoor, fully active. You know the vibes. Freestyle.
Where the one in shoes?
I like pink. No blacking. Black. Black.
You have me tooth fairy comment?
Yeah. No
When?
black.
But the tooth fairy came? Back!
Come on, guys.
The memorable weekend could never over, guys, without something happen.
What kind of mood this? Up down, nice dog, but never yet drunk. Mood this. Uptown girl drink come smoothie. So she know me a dog, man a cupid.
Wanna live like Rasta. Don't be no pasta. Like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the subscription button. Enjoy the movement. Freestyle.